In this video, I'll show you how you can fix the battle.net installation error. Now what you want to do is you want to open up Task Manager, and in here you want to make sure that the battle.net install launcher is not in here. So go to name, press B, and make sure that there's no battle.net here, otherwise you want to end the task. Once you've done that and you want to make sure that it's not opened, then what you can do is we can search for apps and features. In here, look if battle.net is here. If it's here, you want to click and uninstall. You also want to go here and search for it, and you want to uninstall here if you can do that. Once you've done that, what you want to do is you want to open up this folder right here. So open up File Explorer. Then what you want to do is you want to head over to your main drive, Program Files 86, battle.net, and you want to delete this folder. Once you've deleted this, come here and search for run. Type in % local app data %. Okay. And then what you want to do is you want to delete battle.net from in here as well. Once you've deleted both of those folders, right click recycle bin and empty it, and then try and launch the launcher again. Now once you've done that, it should hopefully work. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.